Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel today. And you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram for more updates, guys. We'll start our first question. Share the question number one. So, which number can be replaced as the question mark? Now see, first of all, what are the different approaches to solve these type of questions? That is the major important part here. Now see, guys, what is the major important? See, we want to solve what is the number we can replace as exactly for these question mark. What are the different approaches? First, see, guys. The mathematical operation. What are the mathematical operation generally? Addition, multiplication, multiplication, division, and a subtraction. So these are the mathematical operation to solve any type of numbers. That is the first important point. And second important point, we need to understand what is the pattern behind the question. We need to identify that what is the pattern behind the question. These are the two important. First, we need to decide at the operation, the mathematical operation, and we need to understand the pattern of the given question. So what is the pattern? See, there is a two types of patterns, guys. So deals with the exact pattern. So individual operation, exact pattern means individual operation. And second one, series pattern, guys. Series pattern means one number is completely depends on other number. Series pattern can be defined as one number can completely depends on other number. Exact means it defined with the individual operation. For example, series pattern means definitely 72 is interconnected with 69. 69 is interconnected with 64. 64 is interconnected with 57. 57 is interconnected with 48. 48 is interconnected with the next number. That is the pattern of series one. Okay, if you are failure in the series pattern, then you need to identify the exact pattern. Exact pattern. For example, guys, maybe 72, I can return as, for example, 6 square. So 6 square is equal to, sorry, you just take it as 8 square, sir. 8 square is equal to 64. 64 plus 8, 64 plus 8, the value becomes 72. There is a chance. And next value, I am trying for. Next one, 7 square plus 7. 7 square plus 7 is not a 69. So definitely it is not a exact pattern. We need to identify that whether the numbers are followed as exact operation base or series pattern. So we need to understand those two important points. Now, according to these questions, what are the numbers? 672, 69, 64, 57, 48. The numbers are decreases, guys. Decreases means see 72 become a 69. We are subtracted minus 3 variables. Now 69 become a 64. The value become minus of 5. Now 64 become 57, we are subtracted minus 7. So 57 become a 48. Again, we are subtracted 9 variables. Then what is observation? See, 3579 is an odd number. Again, I'm telling you one more important part. See, if the series are represented 3579, they followed as odd number. Remember, guys, sometimes they followed as 35711, they followed as prime number. Just identify the particular pattern is most important. If you see that the numbers are 3579, definitely they followed as odd number. Sometimes the numbers are 35711. 35711 can be represented a perfect prime number. If you see this order, 357, that is represented for odd number. The next odd number is represented for minus 11. See, you just subtracted 48 minus 11. So 48 minus 11, the value become 37. This is the better approaches, guys. We need to cross verify each and every step. So you just go with a analytical base. So here answer 37 is the perfect answer, guys. Now, so what are the different approaches for triangle? Guys, see, if the question represented for triangle base, what is your observation? Now see, triangle represented, first you need to understand the shape of the triangle. Triangle is a combination of sides. First important, triangle is a combination of sides. For example, guys, sometimes they given us these three numbers only. Sometimes they given us these three numbers only. It means see, resultant of any two bottom vertex exactly equal to top vertex. Sometimes, guys, see, maybe resultant of any two vertices exactly equal to top vertex, where if three vertices numbers are given. Sometimes they given us three vertices with a central resultant, means if you performing together by all the vertices, then you can get the central resultant. But here they given as every side number. They given as this side, this side, this side, this side. Again, they given as a this side, and they given as a this side, and they given as a this side. So this diagram is focus on the vertices, but this diagram they focus on entire sides, guys. See, if they focus on entire sides, means you need to understand the given numbers. Then see, you took it as a one side, guys. 9, 5, 13, 14. What is your observation? See, if you go through the any of these four numbers, total how many numbers are there? Four numbers. Four numbers. Now see that, guys. What are the chances? What are the approaches for if they given as a four numbers? Any two boxes resultant is equal to other two box resultant. That is the step number one. Any two boxes resultant exactly equal to other two resultant. That is the step number one. Maybe they followed a some pattern. Second pattern. Three boxes resultant exactly equal to fourth box. Maybe for example, these box exactly equal to third box, or 1, 2, 4 exactly equal to 3. Any three boxes exactly equal to third box. Yeah. And third one, individual of two boxes, individual of any two boxes exactly equal to resultant of other two boxes, guys. Individual two boxes resultant exactly equal to resultant of other three boxes. Fourth step, sum of all these sides exactly equal. For example, see, these side exactly equal and these side exactly equal, these side exactly equal. These are the four different ways can approach this type of question. Remember, guys, any two boxes resultant is equal to other two boxes, any three resultant is equal to other box resultant, individual of any two resultant equal to other two resultant, and fourth box, sum of each side is exactly equal. These are the different approaches for solving this type of question, guys. Now that is the concept. Then according to the question, what is your observation? What is the observation? Now see, guys, sir, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Any two boxes resultant is equal to other box. Now see, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Again see, 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, guys. Here. So that is the important point. See, 9 plus 4, 9 minus 5. See, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. That is the resultant, guys. Again, you just concentrated again. See, we want 20 here. We want 20 here. Clear? Then what are the chances? Definitely the number we required as a 11. Now you just cross verify that. See, 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. 9 minus 11 is equal to 2. See, so any two vertices resultant exactly equal to remaining two vertices boxes. Now see, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Again, 9 plus 11 is equal to 20, 9 minus 11 is equal to 2. Difference is equal to 2. Again, see, just concentrated here. 4 plus 11 is equal to 15. 4 minus 11 is equal to 7. The perfect replace of this particular number is 11. Third one. So the next number. So for these type of questions, either they followed as a series pattern, either they followed as a exact pattern. Now, if we see the entire scenario, guys, so I can observe all the numbers 23, 38, 45, 64 and 67. 64 and 67. See, if you see the entire numbers, see guys, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24, minus 1 is equal to 23. That is the one, guys. Second one, 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36 minus of 2, guys. 12 twos are 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. 12 threes are 36 minus 2. So 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. Again, 12 into 4, 48 minus of 3. There is an alternative operation. Minus 1 plus minus plus. So definitely next value 12 into 5 plus 4, guys. 12 5 is 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. Next one. So 12 into 6 minus of 5, guys. 12 6 are 72. We already know that 12 6 are 72 minus of 5 is equal to 67. So next number. So that is the individual pattern. Previous question depends on series pattern. This question depends on individual pattern. Now here answer 12 into 7. We need to add the number with a plus 6, guys. So here the resultant become 84 plus 6. The resultant become 90. So perfect answer. 90 be the perfect answer, guys. Okay, let's see that. So, what is the number we can replace this in that question? Now, see, guys. So, this is 5. See, sum of these two numbers is equal to 10. If see that, I can say easily, guys. See, here 5, here 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. If you go through these resultant, the value become 15. So, definitely the next sum of all these boxes resultant become a 20. So, then you can see simply, guys, see, 6 plus 4 is already 10. And we want one more 10. So, definitely we can replace the question mark is 1. Next. Now see, guys, so completely either they performing individual, either they performing with a comparison. Remember, guys, any comparison means I clearly mentioned that. See, any, for example, you just consider like a 4 different boxes. Any two boxes exactly equal to other two boxes. Any three boxes is equal to other one box, or you can performing individually. For example, So either 3, 4, these two boxes resultant exactly equal to individual box. Either they performing individually, either they performing comparatively. In that way, you just compare all parameters. Now see guys, 3, 4, 1. Okay, maybe I think like, sir, 4 difference is equal to 1, sir. Okay. See the difference between these two numbers. The difference between these two numbers is equal to 1, sir. 1 cube is equal to 1. There is no problem. Then same application can be go through the next approach. So the difference between 10 and 12 is equal to 2. 2 cube is equal to 8. Absolutely true. Then go with the next one. The difference between 2 and 2 is equal to 0. 0 cube is equal to 0. But here the given number is equal to 5. So definitely that is the wrong pattern. Now you can change the next pattern. Now I just compare all the boxes. See guys, see. Now 3 plus 2 plus 5, the resultant become 10. Sum of first boxes. See, 3 plus 2 plus 5, the resultant become 10. Again, 4 plus 2 plus 6, the resultant become as it was. Same application, you can go through the remaining one also, Nana. See, 1 plus 5 plus x, the resultant become 8. Now, we already know that 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Definitely here, the replacing number is equal to 2. When we get a resultant as 8, now the answer become 2 be the perfect answer, guys. Next one, sixth question. Now, see, guys, if any 3 by 3 matrix are given, see, 3 by 3 matrices are given. Remember, guys, any two boxes resultant exactly equal to other box resultant. Resultant means definitely they performing any mathematical operation. In that way, just consider, Nana. In that way, just consider. See, any two boxes resultant is equal to other box resultant means go through that any mathematical operation. It means, see, for example, sum of these two boxes is equal to this one, or sum of these boxes is equal to this one. Or you can go with a difference, you can go with a multiplication, you can go with a division. Any operation can performing any two boxes, not first two boxes. You performing any two boxes, that resultant exactly equal to other boxes. Second approach. Second approach, you just consider like sum of rows either equal. The sum of rows means, for example, here the resultant is R means definitely here resultant is also R. Here resultant is also R. For example, sir, second one is not accepted. Then go with the third one. Sum of columns are equal. Sum of columns are here equal. Here columns are equal. Here columns are equal. Here columns are equal. Sometimes then I will give you guys, I will tell you that if all the numbers are single digit number, single digit number. Now you can consider those single digit as a three digit number. For example, I will tell you, sir. For example, here one box, two box, three box, four box, five box, six box. Here, for example, they given us box like that. I will give you the example also here. Now here the resultant become 5, 7 dash. What is the question mark? Now you consider these numbers as a three-digit number, guys. Say three-digit number. You just consider like a three-digit number. Now see, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So 123 plus 456, the resultant becomes 579. When you can consider if all the numbers are a single-digit number, then you can consider those digit as a three-digit number. Digit means individual. Combination of digit is a number. Remember, guys. Now, if it is a two-digit number, don't go with the fourth procedure. Then go with the approach. Now, see, guys. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Again, 8 minus 1, 9 plus 3. 11 minus 1, 10 plus 3. So, answer. So, 10 plus 3, the resultant become 13. No, no. Sorry, it's not an option. Yes, it's not a 8, it's not an option, sorry. So answer is equal to 13. No, sorry, it's not 8, it's a 13 is the correct answer. See, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3. The operation is always constant, mama. Just go through that, the resultant become 13 is the perfect answer. Excellent. So there is a oval shape. Oval shape. Now, we just which number is odd one in the each oval? Just find out what is the odd number in A oval and B oval, guys. See, guys, see, if you see the number, see, what are the numbers they given? 13, 11, 5, 7, 15, and 17. If you see the entire numbers, 15 is not a odd or prime number, guys. See, 5 is the prime number, 13 prime number, 11 prime number, 7 is prime number, and 17 is the prime number. Here, 15 is not a prime number. So that is the odd one in A oval. Now see the B oval. Now see, 4 is the square, 9, 16, 49, 25. All the numbers are perfect square except 38. So here odd numbers are 15, comma 38. So 15, comma 38 is the odd numbers. Next one. Which number we can replace us in the question mark? So completely based on analytical base, guys. Just Observe the number. Based on that number, we need to identify other one. So you just see like that as a 3 by 3 matrix. I clearly mentioned that any two boxes exactly equal to other box resultant. Sum of rows, sum of goals, sum of rows or sum of columns, or you can go with a individual digit concept. See guys, now I just focus on these two numbers. See, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12, sir. Okay, but here 4. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, but here by the 6. Now, if you see that, if 12 divisible by 3, resultant is equal to 4. 18 divisible by 3, you can get result as 6. So, that's why first box plus last box divisible by 3. Then you can get the resultant. That is the operation, guys. Now, same thing, see, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 by 3, the resultant become 3. So, 3 is the perfect answer, guys. Now see that. I just go through the addition of all the parameters. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. Now here the resultant is 21. Here the resultant is equal to 7 and 3. See guys, the multiplication of bottom values exactly equal to addition of top values. 7 3s are 21. 9 plus 6 is equal to 21. In the same way, we want 6 4s are 24 as a resultant. Out of that, we have a 13, we have a 6. So 13 plus 6, the resultant become 19. So 24 minus of 19, the resultant become 5. So 5 is the perfect answer. Next one. What is the answer here? See guys, see. If you see that I just consider as individual boxes, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 3 minus 9 is equal to 6. See, sum of these boxes of individual resultant is equal to third box. Difference exactly equal to fourth box. Now see guys, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Same operation. Then you just focus directly. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. The answer we can replace as 1 is the perfect answer. Guys. Next one, see. 0, 1, 2, 5, 20, 25 dash dash. What is the answer? See guys. See, we can see we have only one source. 0 become a 1. That is definitely we can go with the addition of 1. But here, 1 become a 2. We have a 2 chances. Either plus 1 or multiplication of 2. Either they can performing a different operations or same operation. Now, for example, if it is a plus 1 here, plus 1, definitely we need here also plus 1 or plus 3. For example, if you take it as a plus 3, definitely the next resultant also plus 3. But the resultant, the difference between 5 and 20 is equal to 15, means this is absolutely a wrong pattern. Now you can focus on the upper operation. So 0 plus 1 and 1 into 2, and definitely that is equal to plus 3 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means that is the natural number series, but the operation can performing as alternative. Now see, plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Definitely this is equal to plus 5 number. So next number, see, next number we can represent it into 6 guys. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. 25 into 6, the resultant become 150 guys. So 150, and next number we need to add. So the resultant become 150 and 157. So answer, none of this is the perfect answer guys. Next one. See guys, remember there is a huge difference between the digit and number. Number is a combination of digits. Remember, both are different terminology. Combination of digits we can represent it as number. For example, 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit. So 2 we can call it as a digit, 3 we can call it as a digit. Then how many digits in this number? 2 digits. Now what is the number here? 23 we can call it as a number. 2 and 3 we can call it as a digit. So number is a combination of digits. Remember that. Now see guys, simply don't consider don't see as any number as a number. Like let's see, don't go with a 1216. No, you can see number as 12 and 16, 36 and 48, 24, 8, 24, 72. In that way, you can split the number. Then you can easily recognize the operation. Now see, 12 threes are 36, 16 threes are 48, 8 threes are 24, 24 threes are 52. That is better to you guys. Means every smaller vowel is divisible by 3, then you can get the resultant. Now see, 42 divisible by 3, the resultant becomes 14. And 51 divisible by 3, the resultant becomes 17. Then the answer becomes 1417. Next one. Now see guys, see. Here we can say that this is the minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, and this is minus 1. Throughout that, they followed as one pattern. Again, here minus 3. Here we have a minus 3. Definitely, this is also minus 3. So, 28 minus 5, the resultant becomes 25. We want the top number become a 25. Eliminated, eliminated, eliminated. Then you can choose your answer is the A. Next one. See guys, if you see as a 5 circles, 4 circles resultant exactly equal to center circle resultant. Second one, any 2 circles resultant and other 2 circle resultant. So these resultant and these resultant, either you can go with addition, subtraction, multiple and division, then you can get the center resultant. Remember guys. So these are the 2 types. Again, you can go with the entire 4 numbers are together. Either you can performing individual number, either you can performing two numbers. Then you can get the center resultant. Now see guys, we want resultant become a 5. See, we have a one chance. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So 2 numbers. I just mentioned that I performing a 2 numbers here. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. I clearly mentioned that you can performing with one of the operation. The difference become 5. Now just go through the next one. See, 15 plus 11, the resultant become 26. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The difference become 18. Then you can performing same operation here, Nana. 6 plus 17 is equal to 23. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now the resultant become 9. 9 is the perfect answer, guys. See, guys, I am performing these two resultant and two resultant. Then find the difference. The difference value become, you can get the logic, guys. So 9 is the perfect answer. See, what is the number we can replace with the question mark? Now, see here we have a 3 boxes. Here we have a 3 boxes. So, what are the chances? Just observe the number, guys. You just majorly concentrated on all the numbers and find out the resultant. Then you can get the logic. Logic is completely based on your observation. Simple, guys. I can see one thing. See, sir, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Again, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Same as 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 8 plus 9 resultant becomes 17. Now you can get the answer. The option is represented for 17. Next one. See guys, 2020 to 1921. So we have a chances here plus 2, here minus 3, here plus 2. Here plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. So here the resultant we required as 18. So 18 we required as option. We have a 2 chances. Eliminated A, eliminated D. Now again here plus 2. Here minus 3. 21 minus 3. The resultant become 18. We want 18 to be the next number. Eliminated. Then B is the correct answer. Next one. Again we have one more oval type of question. Next one. See 47, 55, 63, 85, 92, 99, 73 dash 25. What is the answer? Simple guys, see, I can see the easy resultant, sir. Here the resultant become 110 by 2, the resultant become 55. That is the one part. Again, 85 plus 99, so the resultant become as 184 divisible by 2, the resultant become 92. I can get the answer. Now, first and last, so the resultant become here 73, 93, 98 divisible by 2, the resultant become 49. Perfect answer, guys. Next one. See, which is the number we can replace as the question mark. See, guys, 16, 23, 19, 19. So maybe you feel difficult to find the logic. Now, if you feel difficult to find a logic in the series, then you can see the numbers in alternative way. See, guys, now I can see those number in alternative way. Then I can say that every alternative difference they maintain as plus 3, sir. Now, see here it is decreases by minus 4. Here we are decreases by minus 4. Here we are decreases by minus 4. Then I can get the perfect logic. The answer become 11. Next one, 19. See guys, see like as a side. See, this is the one side, this is the one side, and this is the one side, and this is the one side. Why? Because there is a no center number, no. So there is a no center number. You can see those number circles as a side. See, sum of all these resultant become exactly equal to. It's a 19. Now just concentrated here. Here the resultant become 19. So we want these resultant also become a 19. I can replace us here by the one. You just re-verify, Nana. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. The perfect resultant. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. The perfect resultant become 1. So 1 is the perfect answer. Yes. See, 6, 7, 2, 13, 9, 22, 17, 5, 13, 4. What is the number we can replace us? Now see guys, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Same thing, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Two boxes resultant exactly equal to other box resultant. Now, 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. 13 plus 4 is equal to 7. We want 5 means definitely we want here by the number, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Here the answer again, 1 is the perfect answer, guys. Next one, see 2, 8, 18, 32, 50 dash. Either individual or other, you can follow at the series based. See that, see 2, 8, 18, 32, 50 dash. What is the answer, guys? See guys, see 2, 8, 18, 32, 50. See guys, sir, this is Can I take it as 1 square into 2? This is for 2 square into 2. This is for 3 square into 2 individual pattern. This is 4 square into 2. And this is 5 square into 2. The next number 6 square into 2, 36 into 2. The resultant becomes 72. Very good. Go through the next one. 6, 8, 12, 20, 36 dash. What is the next answer? See guys, 6 into 2, 6 to the 12, minus of 4 is equal to 8. Again, 8 into 2, 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 to the 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. 22 is 40. 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. So final answer, 36 into 2, 72 minus of 4. The resultant become 68. Into 2 minus 4. So the entire resultant become into 2 minus 4 guys. The next one. See, 2337 2625 dash 5. What is the answer? We can replace it. See, sum of all these resultant become 15. Sum of all these resultant become 15. So these resultant we required as a 15. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we require 2. Then the answer become 2. 5, 8, 10, 11, 14 dash. What is the answer? We can replace this in that question mark. See guys, see. Here plus 3, here plus 2, here plus 1, here plus 3 means these three numbers we can repeat it again. So see plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 definitely the next number is equal to plus 2. 14 plus 2 the resultant becomes 16. See guys, 4 by 4 resultant. Remember guys, any three boxes resultant exactly equal to other box. Any three boxes remember. Any two boxes resultant is equal to other two boxes resultant. Either sum of rows, either sum of columns, either you can see as a number as 4-digit number. So based on these four different approaches, then you can get the logic. Yes, see the next one. See 7326. See, sum of these resultant become 18. Sum of these resultant become 18. Sum of all the rows is equal to 18. Then final answer 6 plus 5 11. Definitely we want 7. The resultant become 18. 7 is the perfect answer. What is the next one? See, 428, 473, 84 dash, 34. And see, each and every number we have a connection. Remember, guys, see, if you see the question, we have a connection. We have a connection means these are the line connected with any other cycle except 17. Then what is observation? Definitely all the numbers we have connected with the resultant of 17. See, there is a connection. Here we have a connection. Here we have a connection. Definitely the resultant becomes 17. You need to understand that particular point in this diagram. So we want 17 is a resultant. So we need to connect which of the diagrams. See, here 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Same as C. Why? Because we have a connection here, the resultant becomes 17. Same if you connect all these parameters, we want resultant become a 17. Now see, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Definitely we require here number is 2. So 2 is the perfect answer. Now see, 3, 5, 5, 7. See, you see, you just go through that 3, 5. For example, if you think like that, see, plus 2, sir. Here plus 0. Here plus 2. But here plus 0, then the series is good. But here we get again plus 2. So definitely that is the wrong series. Then what is the next one? Observation. In that way, you can change every time, guys. If you're not getting a proper order, you can change your operation every time. Now you do one thing, guys. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. See, previous two boxes resultant minus 3, we can get the third box resultant. Now see, 5 plus 5, 10. Minus of 3 is equal to 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. So we get the resultant. So if you want these box means sum of these two parameters. See, 45, 29. The resultant become exactly equal to 74. Now you can subtract it 3. The perfect answer is 71. See guys, 2378-34. If you observe one thing, see, if you are good at the calculation part, 23 is multiple with a 34. Don't see as a digit. Now you can see digit as a number. See, 2 and 3 as a digit, 23 is a number. If you multiply 23 into 34, top number into bottom number exactly equal to a 3-digit number. The value becomes 782. So 2 is the perfect answer, guys. Next one, see guys. So here 3, 5 is equal to 16, 8, 12, 80, 34, 27, 4, 27, 16, 21 is dash. We have a one on C. If you see the 16, so we can say that 4 4s are or 8 2s are. Now you can split in that way, guys. 16, you can go with the 4 4s are. Now you can go with the 2 8s are. So those are the two chances. 4 4s are no chances. But if you see that 2 into 8, so 2 into 8, what is the logic for 2 into 8 and 3 and 5? Sum of these resultant and difference of these resultant, if you multiply that, then you can get 16. Like see, 3 plus 5, 8. 3 minus 5, difference is 2. 8 2s are 16. Same way, just think it out about these one. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Difference of these two numbers is equal to 4. 20 into 4, the resultant become 8. And then same approach you can continue, Nana. See, 21 plus 16 is equal to 37. And the difference between the numbers is equal to 5. Now see, 7 5s are 35, 3 here, 5 3s are 15. The resultant become 185. We have an option then. The resultant become 185. Sum of these numbers multiple with a difference of these numbers. That is the logic. Next one. Then same. Sometimes they're given in terms of alphabetical guys, but the approach is constant. Converted the alphabetical into the numerical guys. There is only one thing you need to do if the question is related for alphabetical form. Observation guys. Remember, I will tell you some important points related for alphabetical. Alphabetical, remember guys. Sum of alphabetical plus reverse alphabetical always be the 27. Remember, this is the most important point. See, for example, A alphabetical is equal to 1. We already know that reverse alphabetical 26. Sum become a 27. For example, now I am telling you the one question. See, if L is equal to 12 is the alphabetical, we want a reverse alphabetical. See, if you want reverse alphabetical position, simply you can subtract 27 minus 12, the resultant become 15. This is the most important part. See, if sum of alphabetical and reverse alphabetical become a 27. Yeah. And second important point, every alphabetical, every alphabetical which are repeated for every 26 places. It means see, A can be coded as 1. Sometimes we can code it as 27. Sometimes we can code it as 53. But every numerical position exactly equal to A. See why? Because every alphabetical is repeated for 26 places, no? So we can code it as 1, 27 and 53. Remember these 2 points. See, if you go through that one extension point, so sum of opposite numbers is always be the 27 also. Sum of opposite numbers is always be the 27. Now, I will tell you the logic to identify the opposite pairs directly. Then see, I will tell you here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now see, if we already know that 1 and 26, this is for 2 and 25, this is for 3 and 24. See guys, if you interchange that C and X, if you interchange 3 and 4, if alphabetical 3 is the C, definitely reverse alphabetical become a 24. B alphabetical is equal to opposite number 25 is the reverse alphabetical. For example, we already know that M is equal to 12, sorry, it's a 13, N is equal to 14. So L is equal to 12 and O is equal to 15. It means see, O alphabetical position is 15. Opposite number is the reverse alphabetical position. Now I will give you one trick to identify any alphabetical opposite pairs easily. Remember guys, sir, AZ, remember that Azaruddin. It means AZ is the opposite pair. Boy, remember like that guys. You just remember with the names like, see, Azaruddin, AZ, okay, opposite pair. Boy, BOI, boy. So BY is the opposite pair. Now you can take it as a climax, CX is the opposite pair. Now see, DW, dosa vada. You just remember like as a simple word says, dosa vada. Dosa vada is a beautiful combination. We can say that D and W is the opposite pair. No, we are already famous personality director EVV Satyanarayana. Then I can say that EV is the opposite pair. For you, F and U is the opposite pair. You just take it as a Gandhi Tata, GT is the opposite pair. Now HS, Hyderabad and Secunderabad. You can remember that H and S is the opposite pair. Hyderabad, Secunderabad, HS is the perfect opposite pair. I and R, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, famous politician. See, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. You can take it as IR is the opposite pair. Jack and Queen. That is a beautiful pair in the cards game, no? So Jack and Queen is the opposite pair. Next one, Jack and Queen. K. Paul. You just take it as a K. Paul. We already know that person. K. Paul is the no, general term. In, we already know that K. Paul. You just take it as a like that. See, K. Paul. LOV, love. You just take it as a love as a word. Then you can take it as my elbow is opposite pair. And if you know that Telugu famous actor Mahesh Babu and Namrata is a pair, beautiful pair on screen pair. See, Mahesh and Namrata. So MN is the opposite pair. Now you can see that. See, Climax is the opposite pair. Namrata Mahesh Babu is opposite pair. And Dosa Vada. Dosa Vada is a beautiful combination. We can say that. See, climax is opposite pair. Namrata Mahesh Babu is opposite pair. Climax is opposite pair. Namrata Mahesh Babu is opposite pair. And Dosa Vada is opposite pair. Dosha Vada is opposite pair. Gandhi Tata, Jack and Queen. And what is opposite pair? Well, definitely love. So O is the opposite pair here. Here boy. Here Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. Here answer O be the perfect answer. Says G A F W. What is the observation? See, you just pick it as a numbers, guys. That is better to you. Z7, A1, Z10, P16, FE6. Now what is the answer? Let's see the question. See, sum of opposite pairs, the resultant becomes 17. Sum of opposite pairs, the resultant becomes 17. We want these resultant become a 17. We have already 6. We want 11. 11 is represented for K. K is the perfect answer. Next one. So B, C, easy. Just take it as a numbers, guys. Converted the number. That is, you can easily understand the pattern now. So this is the 5 and this is the 7. Now see, here 2, 3, 5, 7. Most of the students, they took it as a 9. But it's absolutely wrong. Why? Because 2, 3, 5, 7, any odd number having before as a even number as a 2, definitely it is a representation of concept of prime numbers. Remember, yes, those are the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 is the prime numbers, guys. So based on that prime number, so the next prime number is equal to 11. K 11 is represented for K. So K is the perfect answer, guys. Next one. You can see. So this is the number, you can take it as a 96. So I is equal to 9, F is equal to 6, and E is equal to 5, and G is equal to 7. Now see that here 96, Nana. Here 57. If both are adding together, we can get the 3-digit number. Now see, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 1 carry forward. The resultant become 153. 3 is a C, 5 is the E, and 1 is the A. Then we can replace us here by the A. Then you can choose your answer is the D. Next one. See guys, Z is equal to 26. Here S we already know that 19, G is equal to 6, sum of together is equal to C. G is equal to 7, sum become again 26. We want all the sum become a 26 number. So M13, D is equal to 4, I is equal to 9, all together the resultant become again 26. As you can see, F we already know that F resultant is equal to 6, E is equal to 5, H is equal to 8. Yeah. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. But we want resultant become a 26. Definitely we need to add G. G is represented for 7. Next one. Again, what is the number we can replace this? See guys, we have a 3 numbers with one alphabetical. Sum of all the numbers are 14. 14 is represented N. Again, see, sum of all these resultant is equal to 12. 12 is represented L. Sum of all these numbers is represented 21. 21 is represented U. And sum of all these numbers is equal to 17. 17 is represented Q. Q is the suitable answer. Next one. So we have a watch. What is the time should be in the last watch shows? See guys, so just focus on the number here 31, 13, 55, 47. Now see, you just go through that. We just go through the 29 minutes extra. Now the time become at 3 o'clock. We have here extra 13 minutes. Now every time I'm adding a 42. See again, here 13 become a 55. Again we just add 42 minutes every time guys. 42 minutes add every time. See 42 minutes add every time means 37, and you just add 23 guys. We just add 23 minutes. Now the time become exact equal to 5 o'clock. Now out of 42 we are completed 23. We left with a 19 minutes. So answer 519 is the perfect answer. See guys, do one thing. See 10 6 is 60 minus of 2. The resultant becomes 78, 58. 11 7 is 77 minus 3 is equal to 74. So final answer 12 into 8, the resultant become 96 minus of 4, the resultant become 92. Then you can choose your answer is 92. Next one. See guys, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16, 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Again 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So final answer 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20, 20 by 2, the resultant become 10. So 10 is the perfect answer, guys. Next one. See 1 2 1 1 4 4 1 6 dash. So directly I can choose as answer 9. Weightage means see. So this is exactly equal to 11 square. 11 square 121. So this is 12 square. 12 square is equal to 144. 144. And next number is equal to 13 square. 13 square is represented 169. The answer become 9 is the perfect answer. Next one, see. So we will shift question we already completed. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 4 plus how much? We just add again plus 2. The resultant become a 11. We want 4 plus x plus 2 is equal to 11. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And definitely in this number we can replace this with a 5. So 5 is the perfect answer. Next one. 1 6 16 36. But 76 not. 76 is not a perfect square. No, but 1 is a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square. But 6 and 76 is not a perfect square. See guys. Into 2 plus 4 become a 6. 6 to the 12 plus 4 become a 16. 16 twos are 32 plus 4 become 36. 36 twos are 72 plus 4 is equal to 76. Now see, 76 twos are guys, see, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 14, 15, 152 plus 4, the resultant become 156. The entire resultant become into 2 plus 4. 3, 3, 16, 9, 12, 3, 18, 7 dash. Here, the difference between the odd numbers and even numbers, which is equal for all the rows. Now see, odd numbers, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 16 minus 6, the resultant become 10. Again, odd numbers, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 12 minus 22, the resultant become 10. Now see, we want either we can replace us here by the odd number or even number, but whatever that we want resultant become a 10. See, first of all, you just subtracted, guys. 11 minus 7, guys. 11 minus 7, what is the resultant? We have 11, but we want how much? 10. So definitely we can replace as 1. Now you can concentrate it. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. So definitely in this box, we want the resultant become 1. What is the procedure? The difference between the sum of odd numbers and the even numbers. See the numbers 2, 3, 8, 4, 1. Here center number is equal to 10. 5. Odd numbers, difference, even numbers. Like see, here 4 is even number, Nana. 8 is even number. 2 is even number. The sum of all these numbers is equal to 14. Now I am subtracting the odd numbers. The resultant becomes 4. Now we can get 10. Now we just concentrated on the even numbers. 10 plus 2 plus 6. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 minus 12, the resultant becomes 6. So the resultant becomes 6. Again, sum of odd difference. Sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers. See, here 9. 9 plus 11, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So 23, you can subtract it. Sum of even numbers is equal to 6. Now the answer becomes 17. So 17 is the suitable answer. Now you can see that here there is a no center number. We have all the vertices. We need to find one of the vertices. Now see guys, sum of any two vertices like as 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Again 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. Same as see, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then same thing. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So answer 5 is the perfect answer. You can see that. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So here the missing number is 5. Next one. Simply guys see. 3 to the 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Again 4 3 is a 12 minus of 7 is equal to 5. Again 6 2 is a 12 minus of 4 is equal to 8. So 8 is the suitable answer. What is the number should be on the bottom of the line? See guys, I can see that. See, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. 11 plus 19, the resultant becomes 38. Sorry, it's not a 38. It's a 30. We want 30 be the answer in the options. We have a 30, but we have still none more. We need to go with an again all the numbers. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Again, 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. 10 plus 19 is equal to 29. 19 plus 29, the resultant become 48. So here we have a 48. Again, 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. 12 plus 27 is equal to 39. So 37 plus 29, the resultant become exactly equal to 66. But see guys, here we have a 38. Now most of the students, if you see the first two numbers, they can choose as A. But here answer is C be the perfect answer guys. Next one. So just find the missing term in the third figure. See guys, we want 76 as a resultant. Now see 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. Now see 7 plus 3, 10, 5 plus 9. Total value become 19 into 4. So 19 fours are 76. Okay, so okay, no problem in that. But why we are multiple with a 4 means the total number of boxes. So sum of all the resultant, sum of all the resultant is multiple with the number of boxes. Now you can get the resultant is 76. Now see we want 156 means see here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 10 22. Now the total number of boxes here by the 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16, 16 and 26 guys. See, so 26 6 is 6 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12. The result then become 156 now. So final answer 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Here, 28, 30. And the 30 is multiple with 8 boxes, girls. Guys, see? So answer is 240. 240 is the perfect answer, guys. Sorry, this is not a 259. It's a 240. So 240 is the perfect answer. Next one. What is the number? We can continue in the series. See, guys. Now you can see the question in alternate way. See, this is the plus 2. This is plus 4. And this is plus 8. Now you can see that. Here we have subtracted minus 4. Here we have a subtracted minus 8. Then what is the next subtraction? But still you have a confusion. What is the number you need to subtract? It means see, here 2, 4, 8 means double number every time we add, guys. 2 double number 4, 4 double number 8. If you want the next number means next you need to add 16, guys. Same way, double number we have subtracted 4, 8 and next number we can subtract 16, guys. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The resultant becomes 22. So 22 is the perfect answer. See the next one, see guys. Here 17 plus 23. 17 plus 23 is equal to 40. But 23 plus 19 is not a 50. Then what is the mistake? Now, if you go through the number, we never get as a perfect resultant. Now you can see the number in terms of digit. Means 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Again 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Now same thing. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Again 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. If it is a number, we are not getting a proper resultant. Now you can see the number in terms of digit. Now again 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 4 5s are 20. Again 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 5 3s are 15. So perfect resultant. 15 is the perfect resultant. Next one. Now 23, 23, 16, 29, 29, 13, 31, 31 dash. How much? See guys, simple. 23 square is equal to 529. So 5 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 16 guys. Again 29 square value become 841. 8 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 13 now. Same 31 square value. So we know the 31 square value. So 31 square value become 961. So 961. Sum of digits become a 16. The answer becomes 16. Yes, so these are the 50 different questions related for numbers puzzle. Hope you are enjoying the session. Just follow me in the Telegram. You can follow me in the Instagram. If you want any doubts and queries, you just directly ping me, guys. I will available there and I will resolve your queries. And if you want the Telegram, you can simply search at the rate of V2V1C. Yes, see you in the tomorrow session. Good night.